Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company in Warsaw, Indiana. We continue our tutorial videos that we show all of our new employees as we train them to become professional painters. However, we also do drywall repair here. Today we're going to be discussing the first coat on how we take care of a stress crack. There'll also be a couple more videos to follow. What we do is we take a fiberglass mesh tape. It's actually sticky on one side and not sticky on the other. We go ahead and we've mimicked a stress crack here by just drawing a line on the wall. We like to go ahead and cover that stress crack. We try to keep it center under the tape. Press down so that that sticks firmly. Make a cut at the end with this snap knife and press it down one more time. Then we like to start out with a small drywall knife. This is a 4-inch wide drywall knife. We already have some ready mixed joint compound mixed up here. It's a 45-minute. And we're going to go ahead and get the first coat on here. I do like to go ahead and lay my knife down like this to be able to get a lot of drywall compound on there, pushing it into the stress crack as well as into the fiberglass tape itself. At this point, we really like to take a good majority of that off, and I scrape right back into my mud pan like so. I'll also do it to this side. And that is how we like our new employees to go ahead and put a first coat of joint compound, which is your ready mix, either 20, 45 minute or 90 minute, over the fiberglass mesh tape. For more information, you can contact us at matthewspainting.com.